Hello students, hope you all are well. Let us start our next video on the basis of elements of accounts, part 2, standard 12. Debenture chapter is going on. This chapter you are going to learn the two things. One, how to issue the debenture, and another one, how to redeem the debenture. Previous video I already taught you some difficult type of sums from your illustrations. One more illustration was left related to that previous video, that was page number 92, illustration number 17. Page number 92, illustration number 17. After telling you, I will come back to the exercise. This is page 92, illustration number 17. You follow the questions, whatever it is given. Illustration 12 onwards, I told several times to you. Illustration 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. You have seen that one. Some of the illustration it was like that issue and redemptions both are there. But some of the illustration it is only issue there. The redemptions is not there. So like that sum also it may come. Whatever the type of sum is coming, you have to know this all. Once again I want to tell you that full books, whatever it is given, that all I am trying to cover it, and you have to know this all methods of the system, so that you have to get the preparation in such a way, whatever the questions is coming, every time you will be able to fight it. Let me read the question, you follow that one. 17. Dixit Electrics Limited issued 7,007% debenture as on 1/1/17 of rupees 500 each at a discount of 6%. All the debentures are redeemable at a premium of 5% after 6 years. This amount was payable as under: on application rupees 300 per debenture, on allotment the balance amount per debenture. Past necessary journal entries for issue of the debenture in the books of the company. See, this question is given only you have to pass the journal entries for issue of the debenture. But redemptions ka time it is given, because second journal, if during the redemptions if you are getting profit or getting loss, that effect is coming in the second journal. For that, the terms and conditions it is given. Once again I want to collect the data. Dixit Limited issued 7,007% debenture. So this is 7,007% debenture of rupees 500 each at a discount. Here you have to write it here. Here I am writing it here. 500 each at a discount of 6%. 6% of 500 means 30 rupees. So it is 470. Do you understand? This 470 how it is coming? 500 minus 30 is equal to 470 is coming. And it will be redeemed after 6 years 5%. This is issue. This all it is issue. And redemptions it will be after 6 years 5% premium. 5% premium. Same amount, 7,007% debenture at 5% premium. One more data it is given, that money you are not taking at a time all, applications you are taking 300 and allotment you are taking balance amount. So applications you are taking how much? 300. And allotment how much you will take? Can anybody say? Because total is 500. So out of that, how much you will take for allotment money? It is 200. But 200 you are not taking, because you are giving discount. So actually it is 170. This is 170. Actually we will write it here. Allotment you are taking 170. How it comes? 200 minus 30. this 30, this 30, this 30 is coming. This is the data which you have to collect to do the sums. Now we will pass the journal entries. So that 500 money you are taking not at a time, you are taking first applications 300 and the balance amount for the allotment. Balance amount is not 200 because the discount you are passing the journal entries with the allotment. So your first journal is bank account debit to 7% debenture account. That is 1170. Bank account debit. Bank account debit to 7% debenture applications. There I am not writing the applications and allotment both. Here I am writing 7% debenture applications account. How much? 7,000 into the amount is 300. It comes 21 then 50. 21 then 50. This is the first channel. And then first channel money you transfer to the 7% debentures account. So 7% debenture application account debit, 7% debenture applications account debit to 7% debenture account. This is already you know several times I told you. Debenture application account, the amount whatever is given, that you write it there, and the money you are transferring to the debenture account. That is most easy. Next, this is 1 and this is 2. Now we are going to pass the third journal. Third journal it is given. Actually, debenture you are going to redeem after 6 years. But that redemption account journal no need to pass it here. Only we have to pass the issue journal. Now we will pass the journal entries for call for allotment. And whenever here application 2 entry and allotment 2 entry. Now we are going to pass the calling entry for allotment. Calling entry for allotment is equal to 7% debenture allotment account debit, 7% debenture allotment account debit, debenture discount on debenture account debit, discount on debenture account debit. This is 7% debenture allotment account debit, discount on debenture allotment account debit, loss on issue of debenture account debit. This is what? This is due to this premium. 5% premium whatever is good. To 7% debenture, to 7% debenture account, to premium on redemptions of debenture account. This is the data which we have to carefully pay attention. This is 7,000 into 170. Because we are going to call 170. Total 470. 470 how it comes? 500 minus 30. This 30 rupees discount is there. 7,000 into 30. Loss on issue of debenture how much? 5%. 5% means 5% of 500 which is 25. I think so. This is 7,000 into 25. Is not it? So this also will be the 7,000 into 25. 7,000 into 25. And this is 7,000 into 200. This is the amount what I wrote it here, that numbers of debentures plus price. I think you understood. 7% debenture allotment account debit, it is not 7,000 into 200 because you are going to call 170 and you are going to give 30 rupees discount. So this is 170 plus 30 is equal to 200. And this loss and this premium, it is that due to this premium this loss comes. 25 rupees comes 5% of 500, 25 rupees. The amount I am writing it here 1190, then 2 lakh 10, then 175, then 14, 50, then 175. This is that journal, is the most important journal This is that you have to understand. Now we are going to pass the next journal, which is receiving entry. Receiving for allotment. Bank account debit to debenture, 7% debenture allotment account. So bank account debit to 7% debenture allotment account. How much? Debenture allotment account already you wrote it here. The same amount. We are not going to collect this all. Only this much we are going to collect. That is 1190. 1190. This is the journal for the only for issue the debenture. We are going to pass the debenture issue only. We are not going to pass the redemptions. 17 illustrations is small illustrations, but having the 4th journal. But this journal will give a pain to you. That you have to understand what is this. 1 second I will tell you that total price of the debenture was 500. But you are going to collect from them 470 because 30 rupees you are going to give the discount. This 470 you are collecting with application 300 and allotment 170 because discount whatever you are going to give that is adjusted with the allotment. This is during the time of issue, and during time of redemptions you are going to give the 5%. So this 2 journal is for the applications and this 2 journal is for the calling for allotment and receiving for allotment. 7% debenture allotment account debit, discount on debenture account debit, loss on issue of debenture account debit, to 7% debenture account, to premium on redemptions of debenture account. Now I will tell you the another sum. Another sum is now I am going to come the sum of the sums from exercise. The previous videos exercise few sum I completed. Now I will start the sum from exercise. So let you know what is this exercise, different type of sums is given, and that also you have to understand. So you find out the page number. Let me say the exercise which questions we are going to start. Yes, coming to page number 1112, 112, page number 112, question number 8, page number here 112 of question number 8. 8 onwards we will start. Let me do the 8 first. After that I will tell you the 9, 10, whatever it is. But you have seen that one. Exercise questions, whatever it is given, from that exercise questions, the question number 4, 5, 6. The question number 4, 5, 6 already I have told you. And 7 you will do at your home. You will try to do at your home. If not possible, you will tell me. Let me do the question number 8. 8 it is given. Let me read the questions. Whatever it is given, after that I will explain it, that how to solve it. Charmy Pensions Limited issued 1,20,000 10% debenture at the face value of rupees 200 each at a premium of 10%. So, total number of debenture 1,20,000, 10% debenture at the face value of rupees 200, each debenture face value is 200, and at a premium, whenever you are issuing, that time you are collecting the premium. So issuing time premium is there, that account will be carried. The amount was payable as under. With application 100 including premium. Now application के साथ premium company is taking. Generally that type of sums is not come. But here it is given the with applications rupees 100 including premium. The premium is how much? Premium is 10%. 10% of 200 it comes 20 rupees. That means actually application price is 80 rupees. 80 plus 20 is equal to 100. And the balance amount of allotment balance amount we are going to collect it. Allotment how much will be? Allotment will be 120, not 100. That will keep in mind. These debentures are redeemable after 7 years. 7 years के बाद this debenture will be redeemable. Applications are received by the company 1,50,000 debentures. You are going to get the excess debenture. How much? 1,50,000. How much excess? 30,000 debenture money, you are going to get the extra. And the allotment of 1,20,000 debenture are made on pro rata basis. See, actually pro rata it was deducted, but pro rata I already taught previous chapter. Pro rata means that you are not going to reject that or full applications, number of applications you are not going to reject. Proportionate sum of the debenture you are accepting, and the excess debenture money you are not going to give back. It is adjusted with the next installment. Once again I want to tell you, pro rata systems means that money, excess debentures money you are not going to give back. It will be adjusted with the next installment. So 1,20,000 debentures are made on pro rata basis. Excess money on applications is credited to allotment account. This is the things what I said you. Excess amount on applications is credited to allotment account. Amount due on allotment is fully received. Past necessary journal entry for issue of the debenture in the books of company. Only they said that issue of the debenture you are going to pass the journal entries. But issue of the debenture also you have to pay attention on the redemption time also. So what going to issue company? 1,20,000 debenture, 10% debenture at rupees 200 each, but at a premium of 20. That means 220. That you understand. 200 plus 20. 200 is the face value, but company is going to take 220 because 10% of 200, which comes 220, including premium. Okay, and applications, it is taking 100. This 100 is equal to 80 plus 20. 80 is the face value, 20 is the premium. And the balance amount you are taking from the allotment. Allotment you are taking how much? Allotment you are taking 120. Because 120 plus 100 is equal to 220. And this 120 how it comes? This 120 comes 200 minus 80. Okay? So the allotment you are going to take 120 rupees, and applications receipts 1,50,000, 10% debentures, and excess whatever it is there, that will be excess, it is adjusted, not refunded, adjusted with allotment. This is the question. Several times I told you, writing answer, before that, this is most important, data. What are the information is given in your question, according to that you have to follow it. If there is any information you are writing wrong, then automatically a journal also will be wrong. So whenever you are going to write the data, that time we will pay attention very carefully. So number one, we are going to pass the journal entries for the first one, bank account debit to 10% debenture applications account. So we are writing it here, bank account debit to 10% debenture application account. How much? You have to remember the data. There I have received 1,50,000 debentures. So you are going to get the money 1,50,000 debentures of rupees 100 each. This 100 actually 80 plus 20. Keep in mind. Because premium, whenever you are going to issue, that time you are taking premium. How much? 10%. 10% of 200, which comes 20. So this amount you are going to get, it comes at 150 ka baad 50. 150 ka baad 50. 150 ka baad 50. This is your first journal. Understand? Next, we are going to pass the second journal. Debenture applications money we are going to transfer. 10% debenture application account debit, 10% debenture applications account debit, 10% debenture account to 10% debenture account to security premium to security premium account and to 10% debenture allotment account. To 10% debenture allotment account. I will explain it. You follow that one. What is this? This is what is given. What is given? 10% debenture applications account, already you wrote it here. So same amount you write it here. 150, then 000. Correct? Now you see that this is actually bank you have to refund, but you are not going to refund. What you are going to do? The excess money you are transferring to the allotment account. Excess money how much? Because you have received 150 and 120 is your actual, so you are going to get 30,000 debentures of rupees 100. That you understand, which you are going to get. And this is 1,80,000 into 1,20,000 into 80. Is that it? 1,20,000 into 80. Security premium how much? Security premium is 120 into 80. This is the things which you have to understand. So one debit, I am writing the amount. This is 96 50. This is 24 50, and this is 30 50. This is because 30,000 into 100. Once again, I want to explain it here. You pay attention very carefully. Debenture application account, whatever amount you credited, same amount you are writing as debit. So 10% debenture account, 1,20,000 debenture, 80 rupees which you have to transfer. Next premium, 1,20,000 into premium amount is how much? 80 or 20? Sorry, it's 20, not 80. 1,20,000 into 1,20,000 to 20. That is security premium, not 80 this way. Then this here, 30,000 into 20. This is the journal for the second one. Second journal you understood. Now we are going to watch the third journal. Third journal it is given that we are going to get the application is over now allotment. Allotment we are going to get 1,20,000. Sorry, 120 rupees we are going to collect. So 10% debenture allotment account debit, 10% debenture allotment account debit to 10% debenture account. Is that it? That you are going to collect 1,20,000 debenture of rupees 120. That you understand 120 how it comes. Already I wrote it here. And if you multiply, you will get 144, then 50. 144, then 50. And here you have to understand how much you are going to collect this money. 144, then 50 convert. This amount you already got it. So you will deduct this amount from this, and the balance amount you will take from the debenture holder. Do you understand? Because already that this amount was credited, excess money it was in this allotment account. You have not given back, and whenever you are taking this allotment money, except this money remaining amount, that means 144.50 minus this is 30.50 you have to deduct it. So you are going to get bank account debit to bank account debit to 10% debenture allotment account. I am writing it here, you understand that 144.50 minus 30.50. This is, and you will get 114.50. This you do not understand, so you tell me. Once again, before I tell you, if before watching this video you read the question twice, then only it will be easy for you to understand. So otherwise, until and unless if you are not able to understand the data, you will feel it is difficult to understand the questions that you follow it. Just now I completed the exercise question number 8. Before that 4, 5, 6 I have done, 7 I kept the homework for you. 8 I have done, 9 I kept the homework for you, and difficult type of sums that I am doing, remaining you will make practice. Page number 113, question number 10. I wrote it here, page number 113, question number 10. Why I have taken question number 10? Because question number 10 is something different with the another questions. So new item you will get, new information you will get, and according to that you have to solve it. I am reading the questions, you follow the questions. The Mansuri Limited of Dahod issue 8,000 10% debenture of rupees 100 each at a discount of 10% as on 1/4/17. From this one line, so many informations you got. Total number of debenture is 8,000 10% debenture, face value of rupees 100, and discount you are giving 10%, means 10 rupees. My love, you are going to collect 90 rupees from the debenture holders. The amount was payable as under: application rupees 30, allotment rupees 35, and the balance amount of the final call. So how much you are getting? 30 plus 35, 65, and balance amount it comes 35, but it is not 35. That is the things which you have to understand. Discount amount 10% of 100 rupees, which is 10 rupees. It is with which installment? Application, allotment or final call, it is not mentioned. So once again I want to tell you, if it is not mentioned, it is with which installment, then it will be always with the allotment. That you keep in mind. So actually your allotment price is not 35. You are taking 35 after giving discount. So it is actually application 30, allotment is 45, and the balance amount final call, that is 25. This 35 comes 45 minus 10. Company received the application 10,500. Excess applications company received how much? 10,500 minus 8,000 is equal to 2,500, of which 8,000 debentures are allocated. The amount was refunded to the applicant on rejected application. The excess money you have given back to that debenture holder. All the money due on debentures are duly received. Remaining amount you have received from all the debenture holders. The last sentence is most important. Last paragraph that I want to explain. This is a new thing. Expense on issue of debenture amount is rupees 22,000. This is the 22,000 company made the payment for what? For the issue of debenture. For the issue of debenture, company made the payment of rupees 22,000. Director decided to write off 1/5 amount of expense on issue of debenture and discount on debenture. Discount on debenture, how much is coming? Discount on debenture is one type of loss. So for issuing the debenture, company paid 22,000, and also company got one loss, that is discount on debenture. Whatever the amount will come, these two amount 1/5 company will show to the profit and loss account of this year. Remaining amount you have to transfer to the next year. That will show. Once again I want to explain it to you. Company paid 22,000 for issuing the debenture. Company got a loss of discount on debenture. I do not know how much will come. These two amount 1/5 company wants to show in this year profit and loss account, and remaining amount company wants to transfer to the next year. That is the things which you have to understand, and according to that we will pass the journal entries. So let me collect the data first. The data is coming. How much you are going to issue the debenture? 8,000. 8,000 10% debenture. 8,000 10% debenture of rupees 100 each. Of rupees 100 each at a discount of 10%. That means it is 90. That means 100 minus 10. This is the things. And is given the applications, it is rupees 35. The allotment, it is 45, or we can write it here 35 within bracket 45 minus 10. This 10 rupees discount is here, and that call means final call. Final call is the balance amount. Balance amount you will get it here. Actually, this is 90, and this 90 how much comes? 100 minus 10. Application received how much? Application received 10,500 debentures. So excess, if you have to refund, that is 2,500 debentures. you have to refund it. And one more thing, what you have to do, this is excess refund. And one more thing, refund. ND. Okay. One more thing, the two expenses are there. One is the 22,000 for issue of the debenture. Another one, how much is coming? Let me see. After that, I think I can understand that one. Because 10 rupees of 8,000, that means 80,000. That is discount. These two amount, 1/5 you are going to transfer. 1/5 of 22,000, 1/5 of 80,000. 1/5 of 22,000, 4,400 is coming, and 1/5 of 80,000 is coming, 16,000. This amount you are transferring. This is the data which is most important to do the sums. So let me do the first one, bank account debit. Bank account debit will cost debenture applications. Bank account debit to 10% debenture applications. How much? Because we are going to collect that one, 10,500 debentures. 10,500 debentures of rupees, not 100, 35 of rupees 35. This year, I think you are going to collect 35 to 30. Sorry, this 30. Application is 30. That you have done now. So 30 plus this 5 by 10, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, this is, I wrote previously it is 35, but it is 30. So you are going to get here 30 rupees. And amount is coming 3,15,000. 3,15,000. This is your first journal. Second journal. Debenture applications 10%. Debenture applications 10%. Debenture applications account debit to 10% debenture account and to bank account. You are going to refund. It is bank account. How much you are going to refund? Because you are going to refund 2,500 debentures of rupees 30. This is, understands? And this amount already you know, 10,500 into 30. And this is 8,000 into 30. Is not it? Because 2,500 is the excess which you are going to giving back, that is 75,000. And this comes 240. And this comes 315. This is the second journal. I think you understood. We said two journal I have passed, one for application and one for the transfer entry. Application money received 10,500 shares of rupees 30, and excess was there 2,500 that we have given back, our money we have taken. Now we will pass the journal is called allotment. Allotment we are going to call 35, but allotment price was actually 45. 10 rupees discount we are going to give. 10% debenture allotment account debit, 10% debenture allotment account debit. How much? 8,000 into 35. And discount we are giving. Discount on debenture account debit. How much? 8,000 into 10. Is that it? To 10% debenture account. To 10% debenture account. This is 8,000 into 45. Keep in mind, this is 45. Because price was allotment was 45, but you are giving a discount of 10 rupees, so you are collecting 35 rupees. This is coming 2,80,000. This is coming 80,000, and this is coming 3,60,000. That I am writing, so you can understand the multiplications you will do it. Now what entry will pass? We will pass the entry for receiving. Receiving entry for allotment. How much money you will receive? Will you receive 45? No, we will receive 35. So we write it here, bank account debit to 10% debenture allotment account. How much you are going to write? 8,000 into 35. Already we have written the amount 280. This amount, this discount amount will keep in mind because I will wrap the code to pass the next channel. But discount is 80,000, 1/5 of 80,000, which comes 16,000 you have to as part, and what channel it will come, that I will tell you afterwards. Now 1, 2, 2, 3, 4 is over. Now what we are going to pass? The and final call. Final call is how much? 8,000 into 25, and all the money you have received. So your journal is coming. Next journal is number 5. Isn't it? The fifth journal. Fifth journal is coming. 10% debenture final call account debit. 10% debenture final call account debit to 10% debenture account. How much? 8,000 into 25. Is that it? Which comes to that. That we are passing the entry for calling. Now receipt. Bank account debit. Bank account debit to 10% debenture final call account. So all money you have received. So 2 lakh. And that 2 lakh how it comes? That already I wrote 8,000 into 25. After this, already it was known to you. The new things what is coming, that you have to understand here. So 6 journals we have passed. 2 for applications, 2 for allotment, and 2 for final. Now the last 2 sentences is given, that is most important, which you have to understand, that 22,000 expense was there which company paid for issue of the debenture. Further one journal you have to pass. Issue of debenture is one type of expense. So issue of debenture account debit to bank, which company paid 22,000. And one company got a loss of 80,000. That journal already you have passed. So 22,000 issue of debenture journal entry is left, which you have to pass. That is 7th journal. That expense for issue of debenture account debit, expense on issue of debenture account debit to bank. This is information it is given that 22,000 company debenture issue का time expense payment किया था. That journal you have not passed, you have to pass this journal. Now in company's account, 2 account you got. In company's book, 2 account you got. One is the expense account, that is 22,000, and this company already got one loss, that is 80,000. So 80,000 plus 22,000, these 2 loss company is having. And company board of director, they decided that all this expense 22,000 plus 80, that means 1,02,000 expense company does not want to show in this year profit and loss account. 1/5 of that amount, 1/5 of 22,000 which comes 4,400, 1/5 of 22,000 which comes 4,400, and 1/5 of 80,000 which comes 16,000. These 2 amount company wants to show in profit and loss account this year. So that journal is statement of profit and loss account debit, statement of profit and loss account debit to discount on debenture account and to expense on issue of debentures account. This is 1/5. This is 1/5, 1/5 of 80,000, which comes 16,000, and this is 1/5 of 22,000, which comes 4,400. So that means this is 20,400. This is a new journal which was not there generally from the previous class sessions. That new journal you should understand. So due to these last 2 journals, you should not lose the marks. Make practice up to 10th class question, 10th exercise question number I have done. 9 I have given for the homework. If you have any doubt at any place, you can tell me. Okay, bye. All the best.